How to install Roblox on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can install Roblox on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't know or if you are not aware, Roblox is already officially available on the PlayStation Store. So now if you want to install Roblox on your PS4, what you need to do is you need to actually go to PlayStation Store here like I have done, and then from the top of the search menu at the very top you can see you just want to go ahead and then type in Roblox. When you type in Roblox, on the right hand side you will be able to see the Roblox game, which is of course completely free by the way, so you don't have to pay anything so far as I'm making this video. All you have to do is just click on the start option, and then after that you will be able to successfully go ahead and then download Roblox on PS4. This way you can install Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.